Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make canned beans Dominican style. Drain most liquid but reserve a bit, then sauté onions and garlic in oil until soft and fragrant. Add sofrito, oregano, and a bay leaf, stirring to bloom the spices. Pour beans with reserved juice back in, adjust salt and pepper, and simmer 15 to 20 minutes. Finish with a splash of vinegar and chopped cilantro for brightness and balance. Begin by gathering all ingredients and tools so the process flows smoothly. Drain the majority of the liquid from each can, reserving about 1/4 cup to keep the beans saucy. Dice onions and mince garlic, then measure your sofrito, oregano, and bay leaf so nothing slows you down. Heat oil in a pan, cook the aromatics gently, and follow by adding the beans and reserved liquid to build a cohesive sauce. Keep the heat low enough to simmer gently while stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Mash a handful of beans against the pan to release starch and naturally thicken the mixture without adding flour. Taste halfway through and adjust salt, pepper, and acidity so the flavors stay balanced. If it gets too thick, add small amounts of reserved bean liquid or water until you reach the desired sauciness and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.